This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Brandon. Updated throughout this amazing 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths home in Churchland. Newer baths with granite, tile, and plumbing fixtures. Newer lighting, LVP flooring, new carpet and paint throughout. Recent renovations include open concept kitchen with granite tops and stainless steel appliances. A formal living, dining and family room with a gas fireplace. There is plenty of areas to spread out. This home has a large master bedroom, spacious bath with garden tub and a granite vanity with DBL sinks. Very large backyard for entertaining children and pets. Not far from all Hampton Roads Military Bases, Shipyards, and Interstates. Minutes to the Vaal beaches and short ride to the Outer Banks of NC makes this a great location. Schedule an appointment today. For more information.